So, tomorrow, pod is going on the water. So we're loading up everything we can into the pod so we don't have to do it afterwards, because once it's on the water, it's going to be much harder to get this telehandler out close enough to the pod to be able to put these heavier items in. So we're trying to move all the windows in. These are the windows for the sliding curved windows that go around the periphery of the bedroom, the shower area. And so we're loading those up right now. And then we're going to put the straight patio windows in and a few more things. Basically, we're trying to get as much of the heavy stuff in today as we can. And that's just going to make our job easier later on. Inside the pod, it's looking so good. I got a little bit teary-eyed, honestly. I got a little bit teary-eyed being in there because it's a little bit emotional seeing it all coming together finally after all these years of work. So yeah, so tomorrow morning we're going to be filming again of this epic part of the journey of putting this pod onto the floating structure. So that's it for today.